What's up guys? Adrian here. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on what's happening with the Subaru and just apologize to the small number of people that might have been following along with the airlift install, but just ran out of time before the first event of the year, first big cruise, and just didn't really have time to film. I did finish it, even though it's kind of back in the same sort of look as it was after my last video there, but I did finish it. It did work, did everything that I wanted to do. The airlift suspension worked flawlessly. As you can see, I got a bunch of parts in the back here. Doing a bit of an engine build this winter and gonna change up the setup here. Gonna put in some hard lines. And as you can see, I'm in a bit of a different space here, which is kind of why, or one of the reasons why I stopped making videos here. But I'll just give you a bit of an update, kind of show you some stuff. As you can see, I added some billet control arms. Focus there. Those are the ISC billet control arms there. Full adjustable, super stiff, and they work really, really well. Honestly, the hardest part of the build or the install was trying to figure out how to mount the height sensors. I don't know if you can see that there. Maybe I'll grab a light. So this is the part that I had the most trouble with. I was trying to figure out where to mount those sensors. Because they're so universal, there isn't really any how-to on where to mount them. It's kind of up to your imagination of where you want to put them, but basically I had to make a little bit of a bracket, bolted it there, and then, let's see if I can show you that, drilled and tapped into the factory control arm to get that adjustable rod mounted. Didn't end up having to cut anything, which is kind of nice. I don't know if you guys seen this window banner. Shout out to Standard Issue. Super dope. Custom one-of-one banner. But yeah, got the engine apart here. Just doing some basic bolt-ons, down pipe, up pipe, injectors, AOS, fuel pump, turbo inlet, TGV deletes. Pretty basic, and yeah, just some maintenance and stuff. Got a few of the parts here already. And I also picked up a 240, which is pretty sweet. It's the winter beater. Maybe I'll be making some videos of that. Just the cheapo mods that I'm doing to it. Really want to keep myself from turning the Volvo into another project, because I obviously got one. But yeah, like I said, the car was perfect over the summer. I'll throw some pictures up of it here. Yeah, I went to a few car shows in the Okanagan, even drove down to Stanford, Seattle, which was super sweet. And yeah, it was like a huge inspiration to really put in a lot of time and effort into this over the winter and really get it to where I want it to be. But yeah, just a quick update and a bit of apology for anybody who was following along. But yeah, the videos hopefully should be coming out fairly regularly here as I pick up more parts over the winter.